welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time, you're welcome, and if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. So guys, I am back. I'm not fully back because my camera has a problem, so like I just want to film this intro now, and maybe I'll just add some clips later on. I am currently at home, as you guys can see, and I just finished my exam, so that's why I am at home. They gave us like 2 weeks break, but I don't know if I'm going to be spending more than the 2 weeks because of late resumption film. Yeah, so I just said let me film. It has been long. I feel like filming, like I love vlogging, but then my back camera as usual like is blurry, so like, it has been demotivating me to film. Yeah, so I'm just like, let me make this video. Maybe it will even push me to go and fix the phone camera. So this is me checking in with you guys. I hope you guys are going to enjoy this video, and I hope you guys are going to continue watching me. And please do not forget to subscribe, like, and share with people. Yeah.
To die of hunger. You want me to die of hunger? That's my guys, my sister just came back. Imagine, she left the house around 11 and she's just coming back 4. The reason why I sent her because like, delivery fee to this place will be more than the place she went to, and where she went to is closer to where the shawarma person stays. She just told her to correct it and bring it. Delivery fee was 700 naira, but if it's this place, this secluded area, it will be like 1.5. You guys, there's no space on my phone again. So let's taste the shawarma.
Yes, let's taste it.
I hope it's nice.
Let's taste it. Yummy.
This side is not having meat like that.
Delicious. I shall want.
It's nice though. Ten over 10. Let me go and enjoy it. Bye bye. It's nice, guys. Yeah, review.
8 over 10. But I want some. Okay.
I've already fixed my back camera and I am so happy, and today I am going out to get some things at the market, like provision, snacks, because I've gotten the rest of my things. It just remains snacks. So you guys are going to go in with me because my back camera is good now. I am so happy.
The dust in this area is too much.
you.